Hi student, you have learned plants are one source of our food. But which parts of plant we use as a food? So we will see through activity plant parts as a food. So we will see activity 4. So look here student, from all the food items you have listed in table 1.3, choose those items whose ingredients are obtained from plants. Which part of plant? Identify these and list the food items and plant parts as shown in table 1.4. In table 1.4, if you observe, there are make 3 columns. First column is food item with plant as the major source. Second column ingredients, and third column plant part which gives us the ingredient. First food item with plant as a major source is taken as example of brinjal curry. To prepare it we need ingredient brinjal, chili as spice, oil from groundnut, mustard and soya bean. So these ingredients we are getting from plant. Now see here, first ingredient is brinjal. So which plant part it is? So brinjal is a fruit plant part which gives us the ingredient. Second, chili as a spice. We use chili as a spice to prepare brinjal curry. So chili is which plant part of a plant? So fruit. Fruit is the plant part of chili plant which gives us the ingredient. Third ingredient we use to prepare brinjal curry is oil, which we are getting from groundnut, mustard, soya bean. So which plant part of this oil we use? So it is a seed plant part which gives us the ingredient to prepare a brinjal curry. In this way we have seen here to prepare brinjal curry which ingredients we needed, and from that which plant part which gives us the ingredient. Now next food item we choose from table 1.3 is idli. Means if you observe when your mother prepare a idli, so to prepare idli which ingredients are used? So mostly rice and urad dal. Your mother, your grandmother or your elder, when they prepare idli, they use those ingredients, rice and urad dal. So we know that rice ingredient used to prepare idli. So rice we are getting from plant in the form of seed. Means seed as a plant part we use as an ingredient to prepare a idli. Next ingredient to prepare idli we use urad dal. So urad dal also we use as a seed from a plant part which gives us ingredient. In this way rice and urad dal as a seed of plant part which gives us the ingredient. Next food item we choose from table 1.3 as a chicken curry. To prepare chicken curry we need chicken also ingredient, but here we choose only plant part. So chili and oil, those are ingredients which we are getting from plants. So look here, to prepare chicken curry we need chili as a spice. Means we use turmeric also, and another spices also we use used to prepare a chicken curry. So from that we take only chili as a spice. Now chili. Have you seen chili plant? So if you have seen chili plant, then you came to know that chili is as a fruit part of a plant which gives us the ingredient. Chili is a fruit part of plant which gives us the ingredient. Second ingredient used to prepare chicken curry is oil. Means as first I told, oil we are getting from groundnut, mustard, soya bean. So in first food item also we have seen that oil is a seed part of plant which gives us the ingredient. Next ingredient we choose as a kheer. Now to prepare kheer, ingredients needed are rice, sugar, ghee. But ghee is we are getting from animals. Means it is a source of animals, and here we consider plant source. So look here. So plant parts we use as a food. From that rice and sugar are the getting from plants. So rice which part we use which gives us the ingredient? So seed. Rice means seed plant part which gives us the ingredient. Next ingredient which we needed to prepare kheer is sugar. Now sugar we get from sugarcane. Sugarcane is which plant part? Sugarcane is a stem part. Sugarcane is a stem part which gives us the ingredients. Means from plant part, stem. Sugarcane is a stem part, and from sugarcane we prepared a sugar. So to prepare kheer, rice and sugar ingredients we use. Rice is a seed plant part which gives us the ingredient, and sugar is the stem plant part which gives us the ingredient. Next food item is roti chapati. Now roti and chapati, for that preparing which ingredients we use? Atta, and atta we are getting from wheat and jawar. Means wheat and jawar we use, and wheat and jawar is the seed plant part which gives us the ingredient. In this way we have seen here 5 food items. First brinjal curry, second idli, third chicken curry, fourth kheer, and fifth roti and chapati. And we have seen which ingredients needed to prepare those food items, and to prepare that food item which plant part we use as a ingredient. Means if you observe, you came to know that we use plant part as a food are stem, seed, fruit. Also first I told we use leaves also as a vegetable. Means it is also plant part. Also we use flower is plant part we use as a vegetable. Means from plant we use leafy vegetables, we eat fruits of some plants, sometimes roots, sometimes stems, and even flowers also we use as a vegetables. So in this way, in this activity we learn that plant parts as a food, means different edible parts of plant we use as a vegetable. So all of you complete table 1.4. Understood everyone? This activity you copy down in your notebook.